Every fleet has to be cleaned. That part is obvious. But here's the question most operators never ask. What is your current wash process actually costing you? Not the price of the product, the process. How many people does it take to clean one truck? How much product gets wasted fighting dirt that should have been broken down properly in the first place? Most importantly, how long does it take your team to wash a truck? Nerta is different because this is not just another cleaning chemical. It's a smarter washing system. With products like TC2000 and Active Diamond Foam, you get a powerful touchless cleaning process designed to break down dirt properly before you ever need to touch the surface. You're looking at up to 80% less wash time per vehicle and fewer people needed in every job. Reduce labor hours and keep your fleet looking the way it should. Clean, professional, road ready. If you're still washing the old way, you're probably spending more than you think. Clean faster, clean better, spend less. Contact Nerta South Africa today.